Hi my gorgeous ones at one with nature, just out and about as usual. It's very, very warm. Gorgeous sun's just gone behind a cloud. But yes, it's very warm out, beautiful. Just listening to all the birds chatting away. It's very calm and very still. From all the blustery days that we've had, it's very nice. And as we're walking along, I just want you to relax your mind. Just relax the whole of your body. So just relax your eyes and just relax your shoulders and your arms. Just relax that chest and just relax your pelvis and your legs and your knees and your feet. And just take a nice deep breath in to relax the body even more. So big breath in and out. Just relaxing you even more, calming you down and bringing in that gorgeous peace of this beautiful, beautiful earth energy. Just gorgeous. And just imagine as we're walking that you're just breathing in that gorgeous fresh air, and it's just stilling your body, stilling your mind, and just filling you with love and peace and calmness. You just feel so relaxed, so at ease, contented and happy. You take another breath in and out, relaxing you even more, dissolving any fears and anxiety. I'm just looking at this tree. It's huge. It's a really old one. Been here for many, many, many years. I can just see a woodpecker hole up there as well. Certainly loads of little birdies singing different ones. Yes, it is huge. Right, my gorgeous ones. Send you lots of love and healing and balance and peace. Take care for now. Bye.